I was recently asked a question that I don't get very often anymore. It's out of the book, and someone asked me, "Why did I dedicate the entire middle section of the book to like true sources of happiness? How is that a personal finance topic?" So I believe that the very first step in financial planning is understanding what makes a human happy, and then the very second step is recognizing which of those happiness building blocks apply to you. It's only when you know where happiness lies generally and then where happiness derives specifically for you that you can design your life. I'm not at all interested in living randomly. I can certainly take life as it comes. I meditate every day, and I know I can be part of the flow, but I'm not an invertebrate. I'm not a plant. I do have hopes and dreams. I've got kids. I've got a spouse. I have a community. I have the normal concentric circle of goals for me, for my immediate family, for local environment, for my country, for my planet. It's because I have goals that I don't want to just simply take everything as it comes. And what makes me happy will be totally different than what makes you happy or what makes my neighbor happy. By the way, as an aside, the stuff we buy has almost no bearing on our happiness. We adapt to our circumstances so quickly that it doesn't matter in terms of happiness whether you drive a Toyota or a BMW. In fact, most of the car choice is signaling to your tribe. If you drive a BMW, you aren't happier, but you're a BMW kind of guy. You know what I mean? It's kind of like that. The research tells us that you need between $60,000 and $75,000 for emotional well-being around money, and maybe $105,000 of income in the US for life satisfaction. You can reach the highest levels of happiness and well-being on a relatively modest income. The path to well-being, personal success, happiness, a life well lived, begins with understanding your unique brand of happiness. I didn't invent this saying, but it has always resonated with me that the topic of personal finance is more personal than it is financial. Building your financial life on the foundation of your own true source of happiness is how we make finance personal. Thanks so much for listening. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments, and check out our programs for those who don't meet industry account minimums. Just click the link below.